guys, it is Chef Kayla with Waller Adventures, and tonight we are having a good old-fashioned fish fry. So stick around and check it out. So there are many ways people do their fish fries. Tonight we are using Bream, aka bluegill, aka sunfish. You can see our fillets. And we have them whole as well. So camera operator Jen and I actually caught these fish in Craven County, North Carolina. If you want to see that fishing trip, I will put a link in the description to the video so you can see that. We also have a video of us cleaning these fish where we fillet them and we cut them whole. If you want to see that video, I'll put a link to it in the description below. So I know there are a lot of many recipes on frying fish, but this is my grandma Lois's recipe and we kind of tweaked it a little bit. So for this, you'll need something to fry your fish in. We got a Dutch oven because it's big and wide, so we have enough room to fry up our whole fish. And you'll need a Ziploc bag, your fish obviously. You'll need cornmeal, canola oil, and your seasoning. You can do any kind of seasoning you want. Grandma Lois always does salt and pepper, but tonight we are using Himalayan pink salt and lemon pepper. Then of course you'll need your paper towels because it's going to get messy. And you'll need something to put your fish in. So we have our Bream fish ready to go. They are nice and clean. You can see the fillets. They're nice and pretty. We're going to do them first, and here are the whole pieces. So the first step is to get your plastic bag and get your cornmeal. Alright, so you got your cornmeal in your plastic bag. Then we're going to add our spices in there. So I'm going to put my pink Himalayan salt in there. I'm actually going to use all of it. Then I'm going to put my lemon pepper in the bag with my cornmeal and salt. And you can add more to it if need be while you're filleting. Then you just want to shake the bag up. Alright, so in your Ziploc bag, you can see how your mixture will be. It smells really lemon peppery. Alright, so we got our heat going. I got it on medium. And put my oil in there. Alright, so I'm going to wait for that to heat up a little bit, then we'll start frying. Alright, so we got our oil all heated up. You want to take your piece of fish, stick it in here, and coat it really good with your mixture, as you can see. Then you want to place it in your oil and let it fry. Alright, so we got our fillets all fried up. They're looking really good. They smell good too. Smell lemon peppery. So you might be asking, Kayla, I saw you put the fillets in there and just rolled them around. Why did you put it in a plastic bag? Well, here is the reason. So we got our half fish. We're going to put them in the bag. Get some of the air out. We want to shake it up. See, with the fillets, it was easier just to put it in and just dump it and roll it around with my hand. But since the fish are bigger and the fish have fins on them, as you can see, like so, and they're a little sharp and prickly, I don't want to roll my hand around there and get stuck. So if you just put them in there and shake the bag up, they'll get all nice and covered. And you just want to throw the whole thing in. Alright, so we have our fish all fried up. It looks really, really good. But we have a bonus recipe for you. We are actually making homemade French fries in our air fryer. So we will show you how to do that as well. Alright, so for this recipe, you are going to need your potatoes, olive oil, and salt. We're using sea salt today. And we need your cool air fryer. Alright, so we got our potatoes all nice and clean. So now we're going to chop them up into 1/4 inch pieces or slices so they kind of look like steak fries or potato wedges. Alright, so we got all of our potato wedges cut up. Stick them in the bowl. Then we're going to drizzle our olive oil. Kind of mix it all together. And then you want to add in your salt. We're using sea salt today. So you want to take the basket out and the pan out, and in your pan put tin foil because it's easier for cleanup. You put your basket on top. Then you want to take your potato wedges, fries, whatever you want to call them, space them out into the bucket. Alright, since I have a lot of potato wedges, I'm gonna half it up, do half now and then half after this one is done. Alright, then I'm gonna take the sea salt again and put some on top of it. We're gonna place our potatoes in the air fryer. Alright, so we want to set our air fryer to 400, which is already on. Then you want to leave them in there for 15 minutes. We'll see how they turn out. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes. See how they turned out. Ooh, buddy. Oh, wow. They look and smell really good. So this is the first time using the air fryer to actually cook something in. We've heated up pizza rolls and bagel bites, but this is the first time cooking with it, and it turned out really, really well. Alright, so we have everything cooked, ready to go. So now it's time for the taste test. Got our piece of brim, all nice and crispy looking. These are good. This is my favorite fish to eat like this. Like I said before, my Grandma Lois just does salt and pepper. I did the pink salt and the lemon pepper, and it gives an extra kick to it, like extra flavor to it. You can really taste the lemon and the pepper. Alright, so I'm going to try the homemade French fries that we made in the air fryer. These are like the best thing ever. You can taste a little bit of sea salt on them. They're nice and gooey. You can see. I left some of them in there a little longer so they get a little crunchy. Like you can see some of these a little crunchy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our fish fry and our bonus recipe of the french fries in the air fryer. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop more videos like this one. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And while you're on our Facebook page, you can check out our shop where we have the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics and we have the Entry and Cookbook. Also in the description below we have a link to our bigger shop where you can get cool merch and you can also get cool stickers as well. So thanks for watching. See you soon.